Yeah, so here they were asking a pathological wave and what does it represent. This was the easiest question. What is the pathological wave? Let's see. Always see, whenever you receive a ECG, whenever you see a ECG on your step 1, always see the wave lead 2 first. Lead 2 should be as normal as you guys have learned. Don't move on to V4, V5 and stuff like that. Just see lead V2. What we can see is there is a, this P wave is coming, then QRS complex, and there is this giant T wave. Okay, there is this giant T wave, and everywhere, all over the ECG, you can see giant T waves, giant T waves, giant T waves. Okay, so let's understand what T wave means. I won't be explaining so much in detail. Just know what each of this signify. P wave is due to atrial contraction or depolarization. QRS complex is due to ventricular depolarization, and T wave is due to ventricular repolarization, which means diastole. And U wave, there is one another wave here. U means unknown. Why it happens doesn't, no one knows why this activity occurs, but it is usually seen in the cases of hypokalemia, when there is decrease in potassium in your body. At that part this wave occurs. So yeah, and the answer is, they are asking what does this abnormal wave represent. It's a T wave. It represents ventricular repolarization. I won't be explaining farther than that because it's not needed here.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.